Hello, good day everyone. This is June, your host from Automation Academy. Our topic for today is silo simulation, exercise number 1. If you are new to the channel, please check my channel. We have a lots of videos out there. We have multiple playlists that you can learn. This is very interesting. We have electrical interview, uh, electrical reviewer, hydraulics, pneumatics, everything. Just check my channel playlist that you're interested in. Okay, let's go back to our discussion. Before we start writing a program and writing a code, I'm going to familiarize you with silo simulation. So here we have conveyor motor, we have a prox-sensor, and this box when it's going to move, and it should stop here so that it's going to fill from the silo. We have the solenoid valve that is going to open and close. We have level sensors. We have indicating lights for a run light, fill light, and full light. And we have our start stop button and our selector switch. Okay, we can do also auto, manual. So let's start now programming. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag another rung. So I will make a start stop circuit first. I'm going to drag a branch. This is the most common when you are going to write a program. You're going to make a start-stop circuit first for run circuit or enable circuit or program running. So after that, I'm going to drag the start button here. I will make normally open or XIC because we know that the button is we know that the stop button is normally closed. So drag here, drag the run light for the ceiling latching. So the next thing I'm going to right click here and edit run. So this one is system running. I'm gonna do this one. It's good to have comments on your run so that you will know what is the sequence within the run. So from this one, I will rename stopwatch button. Start push button. This one is system running. You will see when they have the same address, it will populate to the address. So the next one is I'm going to drag an XIC and OTE, and I'm going to drag this motor address for this one, and here rename first before we're going to start simulating the program. This is conveyor motor. And this one is box prox. I make this an XIO or normally close so that when the box here, this one will open. When it sees the box, this one will open and stop the conveyor motor. Let's try that one. Download the program and run. Okay, it stopped. Let's lower the speed. Okay, run, reset simulation first. Okay, that's a good thing, that's a good start. when I do programming, the next thing I do is I make the output first. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to make output for the solenoid valve for open and close. I'm going to make output for this fill and full, so that it is very easy to analyze when we are going to add more or to troubleshoot to analyze the circuit. That's how I'm going to do. So I'm going to, okay, one more. I'm going to make this a solenoid valve. Solenoid valve fill. So the next one is drag this one. So this one is fill indicate indicating lights, and this one is full. Okay, right click, okay, full, fill indicating the full. Okay, I will edit a comment of this one. So this one is filling solenoid valve, and this one is full. Box full and ready to move. Okay, so for the filling, we are going to make sure that the system is running. Okay, and we're going to make sure that the prox is there, and we're going to make sure that the box is not full. Okay, I'm going to drag this one. I'm going to drag this prox switch, and I'm going to drag this one. Edit this one. This is filling sensor. Okay, let's see. Let's download first. Reset simulation and run. Okay. But the thing is, why it's not running? Okay. Okay. I didn't press the stop button. Okay, I will press the stop button. Okay. Reset simulation again. Program. Let's reset simulation and run. Automatically, why it is automatically running? Okay. Okay, because the conveyor box is okay. I will make an a program. I will make sure first that the conveyor will not run when the system is not running. Okay, let's download first. Okay, reset simulation. Now the box should not going to run because the system is not yet running. Okay, we put this XIC, or normally open on the rung of the conveyor motor. Okay, it should only run when we press. Okay, feeling. Oh, that's a good sign. Okay, the next thing is let's go to the feeling. Okay, when going to make an XIC, or normally open, for this, when it's filling, it will give a bit to our indicating lights to close and fill. Okay, the tricky one is our full. Okay, for our full, make sure that I will make here, this is very tricky one. Okay, for the prox, make sure that the prox is there, and make sure that the is not full. I think I need to do normally open. Okay, for this one, when it's full, it's going to close and, you know, energize the OTA of full light. That the box, when it's here, this one should be closed when the box is there. So I will make a branch. I will put this one, another start stop circuit, put this one here. Okay, let's try. Reset simulation, run, start. Okay, we need a bit for the conveyor motor to run. If it's full, we need a bit here. So let's try. Run. Okay, I will make a branch here for the conveyor motor. Drag this one here. I will make a normally open. It will not affect in a normal routine because this one is normally open or is IC. I will drag this. It only give a signal to close when this one is full to run a conveyor. If it's not going, it will not affect the run for the conveyor motor. So let's try that one. Reset simulation and run. Oh, okay. I see there's still dropping a little bit. So we're going to rectify that one. There's a lots of way how to rectify this issue. Okay, I will just do the quick fix. Quick fix for this one. I will okay, I will just do this one. I will just try another thing, you know. There's a lots of way to reset simulation. Okay, it works. So this is exercise number 1. When you are going to stop, it's going to stop. You're going to start, it's going to start. Stop. Okay. That's it for the exercise number 1. I hope that you will learn this PLC programming. This is the same in RS Logic 500 or SLEC 500, SLEC 5. Okay, hope to see you in exercise number 2 of this video. Have a good one.